Hey everyone, today I want to show you YTM, which stands for YouTube to MP3. That is basically a rep for YouTube DL, which is a famous program that helps you download various of audio and video formats from tons of sites, and I linked it down below in the credits and also in the readme file in the folder itself, so you should go and check it out. It is very awesome, and you might want to wrap it by yourself for other purposes, or even make this one better. Of course, the source code of everything here is exposed and you can do whatever you want with it. But first of all, before you start everything, I just want to say that you have to download Python. This is the only dependency that you must download by yourself before everything works. So go to the python.org site, which is the main and I don't know, local and yeah, main Python site, whatever, and go to downloads, then Python 2.7.10, and download the version for your operating system and install it. Afterwards, you do not have to do anything but the following things. You will download this folder, YTM, place it in somewhere meaningful that you will remember, because all the output MP3 files will be placed right there. And right here we got like 7 items, exactly 7 items, that you are interested in. 2 of them. The readme, which is pretty short but important. Yeah, you should read it. If you watch the video, it is not that important, but you should read it again. And you got the install path.bat. So how the script works after all, you will use Winky R. Winky is the key that looks like the Windows logo. Winky plus R together, it pops the run window, and then you will write YTM. And currently it won't work. Why it won't work? Because Windows does not know how to find this YTM shortcut. So we have to tell Windows where to find it. That's called the path variable. So basically this init path should add this path to the path variable, but if your path is too long, actually longer than 1024 bytes, so it won't add it by itself, because setx, the function that I use in here, is kept by 1024 bytes. So if it doesn't work for you, again, I double clicked init path and then I write YTM and it doesn't work. So go to the path bar, or I don't know how it's called, right up here. It's the same in Windows 7 and Windows XP and whatever. Copy it, then go to System Properties, Advanced tab, Environment Variables, then go to Path, Edit, go to the end of the path, put a semicolon, then paste the path, and click OK, OK, and OK. And afterwards, if we press Winky R, YTM, a window should pop up and then immediately close, just like this, because we haven't downloaded anything, but it means that it works, because it recognizes the script and does not pop like, I don't know what YTM is, and yeah, blah blah blah. So yeah, that's how you make everything work. Again, if you double click on init path and then write YTM and a window immediately pops and closes, that's great. If it doesn't work, you have to change the path variable by yourself, as I've just shown. So, why is YTM so good, and why you should use it for downloading MP3 audio files from YouTube? So let's say we got a playlist, like this one, alright, a random playlist, and it actually has tons of videos, so I'll use my own playlist, which is this one. It got 3 movies. It got 3 videos, and I'm interested in their audio. Let's say these are songs. So I copy the path of this playlist, then press Winky R. Again, Winky is the key with the Windows logo on it. Write YTM and then paste the playlist link, and it does everything for you. Alright, it opens the folder and downloads everything to this folder. Now it's downloading, so it's not finished yet, of course, but when it will be finished, you will see how awesome it is. It is now converting all the audio files, and it's done. We got 3 audio files, just like in, I don't know, 2 minutes less. And it's very easy. You do not have to copy link by link, and you do not have to register to anywhere, log in, users, money. Just download the folder, init the path as I said right here. By the way, you do not have to do it because you can also open the command line. From here you can use Python YTM, then paste, and it will work just the same. Yeah, you should open the ytm.py file, not the YTM shortcut, and then it will do just the same. Just notice that everything that you will download, as I said before, will show right here. This is the hour you download it, this is the date, and it should be pretty easy to find. And furthermore, if you change this directory path, let's say, and again it just downloaded all of these audio files, if you change the directory or the path of this directory, you have to change the path variable again. So if init path works for you, again, that's great. If not, you will have to change it manually. So just place it in somewhere meaningful, like your music library or something, and just don't move it ever, and you won't have to mess with the path variable every time. What more? Yeah, one last thing, it currently only supports English titled videos. You will be able to download non-English titled videos, but it will be shown something like not a new folder, thanks. I'm interested in a new file. It will show like something, the name, which cannot be encoded because it is not English, then an underscore or square, I don't know, dash, and then like more spaces because it could not be encoded, .mp3. Right, that's how it will look, which is pretty annoying, I know, but I will work on it. Yeah, so this is the first version. Your job is to tell me how easy it is, what you want to see in the future versions, and of course everything here is open sourced again, so do whatever you want with it. So hope you enjoyed. That's your job to tell you how good it is, and I'll see you next time. See you.